Hello, I'm Ryan Hershkowitz, the Parts and Service Manager with BearCat Manufacturing, and today we're going to be going over the 502 SC, which is our seal coat truck, and some of the differences between it and our standard distributor. So one of the main differences is instead of flushing with the EPA tank and solvent, it uses a water tank. So much like the distributor, during the flush cycle, the water will be introduced to the suction strainer via the H valve, and then instead of returning to the EPA tank through the J valve at the bottom of the K, it just goes through the J and back to the product tank. So water flushes the system and back to product tank. And also pertaining to differences, so in the settings page, on the seal coat truck, you do have an extra adjustment here where you can control the pump speed on flush cycle 2. Whereas a normal distributor truck, the only thing you can control is the flush time. So this really allows you to control how much water you end up putting back in the tank. Just gives you a little more tunability during the flush cycle on the seal coat truck. So one of the other differences too is this tank, due to the seal coat material having some solids in it, it's basically got sand in it and you have to keep that suspended. So it has a mixing auger that you can control from the cab here. You have forward and reverse, on and off, and then your speed via this potentiometer here. This control box also has sprinklers. So I think there's sprinklers on all 4 corners, and you turn that on with that on-off switch right there.